Hey everybody, Wade Bloodgood here. Just wanted to show you guys something pretty cool that I just found. The second time I've ever ran into something like this, and it's pretty cool. Got ourselves a ladybug hatch going on here. There's ladybugs everywhere. All in the ground here. Up on these rocks. All along this log. Just got bunches and bunches of little areas with all these ladybugs just piled up, getting warm, getting ready to go eat for the spring, the summertime, having kids. I mean, this is a ladybug jackpot right here, guys. Ladybug jackpot.